This how to 1 minute will show you how to create a job board on Wix website. Follow these easy steps to add a job board to your Wix website. First of all, you have to open this website called elvsite.com. Once you are here, click on widgets. Click on this search box and type here job. And you will get job board here. So click on that. And here you will get bunch of different job board template. So I'm gonna selecting this first one, and here we can see the preview. Now click on continue with this template. Now click on jobs. Click on add job. Now enter here your job title. Enter your company name. Enter department. Enter your location. Enter salary. Type of contract. Add a apply link here, add a description. You can add a cover photo, logo. You can add skills. And that's all. You'll be able to create multiple jobs here. Once done, go to the layout section, and from here you can change the layout. Go to job card section. From here you can adjust the settings. Go to appearance section, and you can change job board color from here. Then click on add to website for free. And now we have to create a free account to this website. You can use your Google account or Facebook to create an account. So I'm gonna using my Google account. Once your account created, click on publish. And here select the free plan. And that's it. Here you will get your job board embedding codes. All you have to do is just copy the code from here. And now go to your Wix site editor. Once you are in your Wix site editor, search for the section where you want to add your job board, and I'm taking a blank section here. And now click on add elements, and here select embed code and click on embed HTML. And here paste your code and click on update. And your job board will appear here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.